Some things are obvious, some are not. What's obvious is this port is the lifeline for trade and for thousands around. What's not is the strength behind its construction. What's obvious is this dam is the key to the region's prosperity. What's not is it is built using one of India's finest Portland cements. What's obvious is this building houses some of the best IT giants in the world. What's not is the cement technology used to build it. What's obvious is thousands of vehicles ply on this flyover every day. What's not are the credentials of its cement maker. What's obvious is a happy family lives here. What's not is the commitment behind the happiness. Cement, the ultimate building block. Penna Cements, the bond in every construction. Penna Cements, building India since 1994. Tadipatri Mandal in Andhra Pradesh's Anantapur district. A mandal that's abode to sanctum sanctorums like few other places. But that's what's obvious. What's not obvious is that Tadipatri is home to the richest limestone reserves in India. The ready availability of limestone, the basic raw material for cement production, makes Tadipatri a strategic location for producing quality cement. When we opened the gates to the Penna Cement plant here in August 1994, we looked to exploit this locational advantage and succeeded. This success helped us grow to a 4-plant company with manufacturing units in Ganesh Pahad, Nalgonda district, Ras Al Khaimah in the UAE, and Boyreddypalli in Anantapur district. The numbers speak for themselves. Our annual output capacity has grown from 0.4 million tons in 1995 to over 6 million tons in 2006. The quality is there to be seen in our product range: high-strength Portland cement, Portland slag cement, and Portland Pozzolana cement. The success, an outcome of some defining features. Availability of large reserves of high-quality iron ore, slag and gypsum, our technological edge and best-in-class equipment. Our vertical integration enabling us to provide a steady supply of the best quality cement. Our access to major cities, facilitating easy cement transportation. Cement production starts with limestone mining. We use an eco-friendly blasting technique to extract limestone every day. Limestone is then loaded into trucks or tippers for transportation to the crushing plant, where it is unloaded through crusher hoppers. A crusher of 400 TPH capacity reduces the size of the limestone to less than 25 millimeters. It is then stacked in stackers and reclaimers. Limestone is then taken to the raw mill for grinding through hoppers and weigh feeders. The size of the limestone mixed with iron ore and bauxite is then reduced to less than 200 microns. This mixed raw material, called kiln feed, is then stored in silos until required. From the silos, it is fed to a preheater tower where the raw material is disintegrated using a 6-stage preheater technology. A precalcinator with the latest design promotes superior heat recovery and increased calcinations. The heated kiln is then sent to a rotary kiln fired with an intense flame produced by burning coal. At the hottest part of the kiln, a 1870 degree centigrade flame converts the partially molten raw material into pellets called clinker. The rotary kiln discharges the red-hot clinker into a clinker cooler where it cools down to 150 degrees centigrade. The cooled clinker is sent to the clinker stockpile where it is stored until needed. The clinker is now ready for the final process of cement production. It is fed to a ball mill where gypsum is added and ground. A specific surface pressure between 2,800 to 3,000 centimeters square per gram is maintained to form the final cement product, ordinary Portland cement. Slag used for the production of Penna Suraksha is brought in from Jindal Vijayanagar Steels Limited. Huge vertical rollers from Japan grind the slag to 3,500 centimeters square per gram. The ground slag obtained is then stored in huge multi-compartment silos at the plant. This is then fed to an extraction bin. From here, it is sent to the weigh feeders. To maintain correct proportion, separate weigh feeders are used to blend ground slag and ordinary Portland cement. The slag and ordinary Portland cement are fed into a blender where Portland slag cement, branded as Penna Suraksha, is obtained. The entire manufacturing process is centrally controlled and operated from the PLC. Cements of different grades are stored in individual bulk silos before dispatch. Cement is packed in the rotary packing unit using rotary electronic packers. Depending on the customer's need, packed cement is distributed by truck, rail or sea, and bulk cement in bulk carriers. Penna Suraksha brings several benefits and advantages. Penna is an eco-friendly company. At Penna, we use eco-friendly methods in every stage of production, right from acquiring limestone till the production of cement. Making Portland cement requires tremendous amount of energy. Power plants commissioned by Penna take care of this requirement. Penna Cements has earned the reputation of being a quality cement manufacturer from India, catering to Indian and overseas markets. Continuing the success journey, we have crossed the shores and set up a manufacturing facility abroad.
I'm today speechless because seeing this wonderful partnership between our two countries, my heart is full of joy. We are seeing this wonderful factory here, and this is the kind of partnership one has to admire, that we are together in helping our people and in helping the development of our countries. I would like to say a word about the Indian partners here. The Penna Cement group in India, they have 4 cement plants. They already have installed capacity of 4 million tons, and another 2 million tons is currently
For Penna, this is just the beginning of a new dawn. We know we have many such dawns awaiting us. Penna Cements, pioneers in building. Penna Cements, the bond in every construction.